YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? So today is another trade recap. I didn't do any trade recap last year because it was NFP and I took 2 wins and 2 L's, and that was basically it. Like, I was basically break even, and last week wasn't any set of showing, and so I didn't really upload anything, to be honest. But today, now it's the first week. We had no news today, and it's Monday, so I'm about to show y'all what I saw and what I took. So ain't gonna lie, TradingView had a deal. I had to take that shit. Ain't gonna lie. So I woke up at 7, as always. Overall, we was bearish, and ain't gonna lie, we still have this gap to be filled in, but let's see though. So we was bearish, and I had this we kept disrespecting supplies while going up. So I had this supply. I had this demand. Then I had this demand. I was waiting to get in one of these to take it to the upside. But as you can see, price never came back and tapped me. So while price was doing this, I was like, well, hell no. We went over the 200 EMA. We went back under the 200 EMA, and we still bearish. So I'm like, I'm not finna take any buys or anything. So when price came, it gave a good reaction for him, but I was disciplined enough to not take this shit because I wasn't comfortable taking it. But I think it hit because somebody in the Discord took it. But what I was looking at right here, I was looking at this high. What was that? If price doesn't close above this high, I'm about to take a liquidity grab and aim for the low. So price did this, and I got it early, and I was just aiming for, it was like a one to and I was aiming for this low right here, and you can see my TP hit, and I was out. That's it. And that was that for today. It was a little quick trade, and then after we took this little while, we went up for the rest of the damn day. Like, we literally went up the whole day. So that could have been another liquidity grab right there to get in, but I was still bearish on GU, so I didn't take it. However, on gold, I saw this demand, but I was in GU already, and I saw some people saying they got out and shit like that. I think this shit was moving crazy. Some people got out early, cut this. They want to talk about cut their losses or whatever. So I be telling y'all, I do not cut my losses anymore because that shit does not make any sense to me, bro. I've taken so many L's doing that shit. Just hold your trade, but like, it's a reason you have a stop loss for a reason. Like, you do not expect price to come back all the way down to your stop loss, and if it does, it do. Like, you get what I'm saying? So as you can see, price was going in and out for the longest, and then shit actually went up for the day. Like, this was a good trade. It did not close inside the zone. This was a good trade to take. That's what I'm telling y'all. Hold y'all zones, bro. Just hold y'all trades. Do not try to close early. That shit had me messed up in the back trying to do that shit a couple months ago, bro. Like, my win rate was dropping. Like, I used to, like, for example, if I saw something like this, I went up and it came back down, like, dropping, I probably would have cut my loss right here. Or even if I'm up here again, even if I didn't cut my loss right here, and I'm up here and it's coming down here, I would have cut my loss right here, and that shit actually went up. And you get what I'm saying? So I don't recommend cutting your losses. Just take the L or take your TP. But those were the two setups I saw today on GU and gold. But I took GU, and yeah, that was it. I hope y'all boys enjoyed this trade recap, and I'm out.